Around 252 million years ago, Earth was at the end of the Paleozoic era, which had begun with a Cambrian explosion, a period where many new and diverse life forms first appeared, especially in the oceans. By this time, the continents had joined together to form Pangaea, creating large land areas with dry interior regions and varied climates along the coasts. During this period, a major extinction event took place. About 90% of marine species and around 75% of land species were lost. One significant factor was ocean acidification, which had a strong impact on the shelled marine organisms that were common throughout the Paleozoic. This extinction is now recognized as the Permian Extinction, the largest loss of biodiversity in Earth's history. As you can see in the graph, it's not the first extinction event in Earth's history, but is by far the most impactful and devastating.
The Siberian trap eruptions didn't just happen overnight. They began when rising magma finally reached Earth's crust after building up for thousands of years. Once it broke through, the magma seeped into the thin crust of Siberia, packed with fossil fuels and organic rich rocks. As the magma burned through these layers, it released massive amounts of carbon dioxide and methane, supercharging global warming, acidifying the oceans, and stripping oxygen from the air and sea. It wasn't just the eruptions themselves, but the chemical chain reaction between magma and carbon-rich crust that turned Earth into a toxic, overheated world devoid of life.
After the Permian extinction, Earth was nearly empty. About 90% of marine species were gone, and land ecosystems collapsed. The oceans lost their coral reefs, and only a few lucky and resilient species survived. But life began to bounce back. Ammonoids were some of the first marine animals to return. On land, simple creatures took over, and over time, new species evolved. This slow recovery eventually led to the rise of dinosaurs. It wasn't quick. Earth took around 50 million years to fully recover. The Permian extinction was a massive reset. It cleared the way for new life and helped shape the future of our planet.